नीवी आंखों को झुका के रख ले गोरे गोरे गालों को छुपा के रख ले
Hey guys, welcome back to my show, Hollywood Muse. If you are new, welcome. So we are still on season 7 and this is episode 2. If you guys could not tell by the way my makeup looks or by the title of this video, this makeup was inspired by an Indian bride. I've had a ton of my Indian followers request this look, so I was really excited to do this. It's so different and really stepping out of the box. I was a little bit nervous because I really don't want to offend anybody with this look, and I even addressed that on Instagram. I asked all of my Indian followers to please let me know what you don't want to see me do or wear in this video, because at that point it would be like crossing a line, and all of them told me just go all out. Like if I was an actual Indian bride, they wanted to see the entire look put together. So I really do hope you guys enjoy this. And like I said in my first video of this season, because this season is going to be completely inspired by different parts of the world, the way beauty is basically perceived in different countries, I don't want anyone to get offended because again, those are not my intentions. I'm just inspired by these certain countries and the way that beauty is perceived in those countries. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. Starting with priming my face, I'm going to go in with the FentyBeauty Pro Filter Primer. Next, I'm going to grab the Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer in the color 2N to prime my lids. For my shadow, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to take that pink shadow, and that's what I'm going to apply on my crease. Now for a deeper crease, I'm going to go in with the red shadow and apply that right over the pink. Now to create my cut crease, I'm going to go back in with the Mercier Concealer in the color 2N. Then I'm going to apply the Motives Cosmetics Copper Shimmering Loose Powder. Then I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other eye. Now to make my crease a little bit more defined, I'm going to take the black eyeshadow and lightly apply some onto the crease with a thinner blending brush. Now moving on to my liner, I'm going to go in with the LORAC Front of the Line Pro Liner. Now for an extra pop on my lid, I'm going to go in with the LA Splash Glitter Liquid Liner in the color Chandelier. Now while that dries up, I'm going to move on to my face and I'm going to go in with the Dior Forever Undercover Foundation in the color 25. Then I'm just going to grab a damp beauty blender to blend all of that out. Now to contour my face, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in the color Rich. Now on to highlighting my face, I'm going to go back in with the Laura Mercier Concealer in the color 2N. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to set all the highlighted areas with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Candleglow No. 3 powder. Now to go over the cream contours with a powder, I'm going to go in with the Nude Rose Sculpt and Glow palette by BH Cosmetics. For my blush, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Radiant Blush Kit, and I'm going to take the color Spoiled and apply that to my cheekbones. To highlight my face, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter. Now that the face is all set, back onto the eyes, and I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Then I'm just applying some Urban Decay Zero eyeliner in my waterline. For my lashes, I'm going to go in with the Lilly Lashes Mykonos lashes. They're my favorite style. You'll see me wear them in almost all of my videos. Now I'm going to go in with these two colors, the black and the red, and that's what I'm going to use to smoke out right on the outside of my waterline. To create a double wing liner, I'm going to go back in with the same eyeliner I used initially and create that second wing coming from the bottom of my eye. And then I'm just taking the same Amrezy highlighter that I have on my face and applying that to my inner corners. Now to bring my eyeliner more to a point on the inner corner, I'm just taking a gel liner and a very, very thin brush to do that. Moving on to these bare brows, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Dipbrow in the color medium brown. My eyebrows, I'm going for a very bold, much darker brow for this look. Finally, onto my lips, I'm going to go in with the LORAC and ColourPop collab. I will be starting with the red liquid lipstick, and it is the color Renmin.
गालों को छुपा के रख ले ओ नीवी नीवी आंखों को झुका के रख ले गोरे गोरे गालों को छुपा के रख ले
Then I'm going to add the purple to the center of my lips, and the color is called Yoshi. And I'm going to grab a brush and make sure those two colors blend together smoothly. Then I'm going to add a little bit more blush to my cheeks. I wanted it a little bit more bold. And then after that, I'm just going to add all my jewelry, and then we're all set. Thanks for watching, guys.